This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here again at our Jackson location. Today we've got a beautiful new 2026 Peterbilt 567. It's got a 13,200 pound capacity steer axle, 46,000 pound air track rear suspension. It's 228-inch wheelbase. Has locking differentials, 373 gears, 11R 24/5 Continental tires, riding around on some polished aluminum wheels. Peterbilt stainless mud flap hangers, Holland FW35 fifth wheel. It has air disc brakes all the way around. Trailer connections have been moved back off the cab to allow room for a headache rack. Polished aluminum tanks, polished steps and access, dual back of cab exhaust, chrome mirror covers, stainless visor, 2 chrome roof mounted Peterbilt air horns, chrome front bumper with fog lights, your heavy duty toe pin. Let's take a look underneath the hood. How about a red truck with a red engine? Got your 500 horsepower, 1850 torque Cummins X15. And behind that's the 12-speed Eaton automated transmission. Let's take a look inside. Leather air ride driver's seat. Passenger seat is air ride with vinyl. Extra gauge package in the dash. Traction control, ABS off-road, inner axle lock, and your differential lock switches. Got your mounting brackets and wiring for your CD radio. Little overhead storage. We have 2 of these available. If you think you can use one or both, give me a call, 706-372-4698. Or if you need a truck custom built, give me a call. We can make that happen as well.